In the blink of an eye, the world of work has transformed. The traditional office has been replaced by the comfort of our homes, and live chat jobs are leading this revolution. They are the new gold rush. But why? Well, imagine, you're nestled in your favorite chair, sipping on a hot cup of coffee and earning. No commute, no dress code, just you and your device. Live chat jobs offer unparalleled flexibility and convenience. They're not just jobs, they're lifestyle choices. They allow you to manage your time, your pace, and your space. But it's not just about comfort. Live chat jobs also open up a world of opportunities. You can work for companies across the globe, right from your living room. The world is catching on to this trend. More and more people are ditching the 9-to-5 grind to embrace the freedom of live chat jobs. So why wait? Click the bio link and join the revolution. Remember, the future of work is here, and it's all about live chat jobs. Why go to work when work can come to you?